Okay, what's up everybody? It's your boy JR303 back at you with another unboxing. I'm going to be doing these as well, but today we're going to be focusing on the Streamlight low profile tactical light for full-sized railed handguns. It's the TLR-9 Flex. It's hard to not say the word that ends with starts with a G and ends with an N. So if you hear the little clacks or that, it's because that's what we're masking. Stupid YouTube. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. So I got these two, and we'll talk more about them, why I ended up with two of them. But here's the unboxing. So this is what we're going to be looking at. The TLR-9. This is the packaging it comes in. This is the full. Let's get into opening it. That's what it looks like. Here's the registration. Here's the book. TLR-10. I was curious about the TLR-10, but no one's really said much about it. I don't know if people don't like it or what the reason is. It's going to be going on my M&P, the M2.0. So as we always do, this is what each page looks like. Directions. So if you lost yours, you always have something to reference. You can pause it on the screen, zoom in. We do film at 4K. Try not to be so boring. I know these could be a little boring. I'm just trying to get you the information. Be really precise in case, you know, someone needs this information. We have our range days to have a little bit more fun. Just trying to give you the facts and my thoughts about the initial unboxing. I might give a review later. I really turned into a Streamlight fan. Oh, Light 2. I was thinking about getting one of those, but it just doesn't seem. I like that they're rechargeable, but back up. So it comes with some different things. I think this is to insert it. I have to look at the directions. Let's see. Oh, Streamlight sticker. And then some more products I guess they offer. So this is for removing. Oh, okay, that's so you can put your little C clips in. You see them in the bag. You take it off and then you insert them in. And then you could turn and tighten your screws with that. So here's your removal tool. Here is Allen wrench. And then we have, let's see. So these are plates, I guess, to fit on the different 1913 one. They're the different. I don't know if there's supposed to be another one, but it doesn't have it. And it comes with two CR123 batteries. Say Streamlight on them. I picked this up from Amazon. I was gonna go through Optics Planet, but they didn't want to match the price of Amazon. They only don't match for eBay and Amazon. So I was like, why am I gonna pay $100 more overall for these? But then that's why I ended up with two, because I misread. But it's good to see the two different ones. So this is the Flex. So you take the L key, remove the back, and you can go. These are with the high activation switches. when you're holding, you know, turn them on. You can go with the low. I have to check them out. I've never used these low activation switches. Let's go on there. A little different. These have a positive click, and these don't click or anything. So I don't know. I thought they said they would click. There's your 3. Oh, there's the 6 one we were talking about. For your Picatinny rails. More up close. So that's our Streamlight TLR-9. Just wanted to show you guys the complete unboxing of it. I'm going to be bringing you the TLR-M2. This one is here, it's with laser. This one's without. I know some people say, oh, you don't need a laser, you don't want lasers, and some say, yeah, you do. I kind of believe for home defense, I want a laser because when you're shooting around corners, you can get your, especially when you're switching to your weak shoulder, when you're going around, you know, a weak side without switching hands, you just bump over. It's nice to have a laser to mark your target for quick acquisition. Just get those rounds on your target. So for up close, that's why I'm gonna be ready using that. I'm gonna try this. That would be probably going on my Robinson arms, and this will go on my Bushmaster Patrolman that I've had for years, my first AR-15. Thinking about getting another RM1 for the Vector. But if you guys know of any other lights, leave the comments down there. As always, give us those thumbs up and subscribe. Check out our Instagram at JR303official. Until next time,